Okay, show us your steps. See? Free crawling. Trying to figure it out. Sorry, here. Come on, bud. Put your legs underneath you. You're doing it. Oh, goodness. I know. It's really hard. Okay, let's see those legs. Let's see them. Put them underneath you. Yeah. You can do it. Okay. I know. Okay, do some froggy. Do some froggy. Oh, goodness. Oh, good. See, there you go. Put those legs underneath you. You can do it, buddy. Somebody's working so hard. Okay, bud. Oh, goodness. You're doing it. Oh, God. You're working so hard, sweetie. I know. I'm so proud of you. Yeah. Hi, buddy. Hey. Yeah. It's hard. You got it, though. Oh, I know. So hard. Oh, see? There you go. Put those legs underneath there. You got it. Oh. Oh, goodness. Yay, Jonah. Yay. Hi, bud. Yeah, I know. It's kind of hard. You can do it, though. Yeah. Say hi. Oh, goodness. Okay, try the camera one more time. Hi. Hey, bud. Are you gonna scoot backwards? Are you gonna scoot backwards, bud? Oh, good airplane. That was a good airplane. We saw that. Oh, look at you bringing your knees underneath you for the first time. Yay, Jonah!